Alright guys, so we're trying something different today. Normally you make Rice Krispie treats with butter and marshmallows and such. So today we're trying Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
I still think you should probably add more marshmallows.
And see how this turns out. I don't know, you could probably start adding the cinnamon toast.
I added extra butter because I knew I was using the whole box, but...
Yeah, but it'll be fine. Fat boy like me likes it.
Well, I guess if anything, it's just going to slide right out of your ass.
No, you can't say it on YouTube. But yeah, why don't you go ahead and pour some of this Cinnamon Toast Crunch in there. Here's the package.
Oh, well, thank you!
Oh.
What good teamwork!
Teamwork.
I wish that was going on all day today.
Teamwork makes the cream work.
Oh, but where's my beer?
I don't know. Right there. I'll get it for you. I would have.
I got it. Don't you worry. Don't you fret.
I am not fretting. I hate you saying fucking... You can't say it on YouTube.
Exactly. See, I don't say a bad word.
You know, open that or just play with it all day.
Got it. Don't you worry. Oh, don't you fret.
No, she had the whole thing.
I told you I was. That's why I added extra butter.
Well, you gotta stir that.
Trying.
So yeah, it's a Cinnamon Toast Crunch, Rice Krispie treat style.
I don't even know why that was funny, but...
It probably won't even be as good as that, though. Because just having troubles here.
It's gonna be fine.
We gotta fold it better.
Stick your freaking hands in here and then do it with
I am not
hands.
putting my hands in anything.
Okay, then you just zip it. Zip it, Freddy!
I think we probably could have used some more marshmallows.
I told you that!
It'll be okay. I'll still eat it.
Okay, well, burner's off. Let's go.
We'll keep stirring it.
Put this in the pan alone. I hope you still have butter left over for other food that we needed for you tonight.
Oh yeah, I bought like six more of them. All right, just.
Can I go put it in the pan?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Take your panties off and put it in there. I mean, what? Put it in your pan. Might not be the most ideal.
Stop trying to fondle my boob.
I wasn't. I was trying to watch you put it in your pan. That looks pretty good, huh guys?
It smells delicious, but all you're smelling is the cinnamon.
Mm-hmm. I think next time when we make this, we're gonna have to put some more marshmallows. All right, guys. Make it interesting. Make some Cinnamon Toast Crunch treats. Just more marshmallows than recommend. Alright. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Hit that bell, ding, 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 and we'll see you guys in the next one. Later.